guys, it's makeup artist Sarah Hill here. On my tutorial today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this beautiful pink smoky eye with a touch of glitter. The products I've used are all from Ciate, London, and they've just launched this brand new collection which I'm so excited to show you. It is the Miss Piggy collection. I will also share with you some other products which I absolutely love from the range as well on our gorgeous model Talia. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So we're going to prep the skin with the watermelon face primer. This doesn't contain any silicones. It creates a really nice luminosity to the skin and it's deeply hydrating at the same time. Using the Miss Piggy sponge, which I've dampened with water, we're now going to apply the Extraordinary foundation, which is lightweight, buildable and luminous. Next we're going to move on to the pigmented palette. I'm going to apply the taupey colour of eyeshadow, which is more of a satin matte, all over the eye with a nice fluffy blender brush. This will give definition to the socket. Next we're going to be using the rose colour through the socket with a slightly smaller brush. Now as the taupe is underneath, you can see that those colours really fade out beautifully together. So really building up the socket. Next up, we're going to use the top colour, which is like a shimmery reddy rose colour, and we're going to apply this to the outside edge and patting it along the lid as well. So you can see it just gives that lovely soft sheen and all the colours just melt beautifully and effortlessly together. I love this palette because it has so many different types of textures. We're using that same colour underneath the eyes as well. I'm going to be using this bright pink pop of colour. I'm going to use this almost like a liner. I'm going to use it along the lid, a little bit at the corners with a small firm brush just to get that extra pop. And finishing off with the glitter gold. I'm using a nice flat brush just right in the centre of the eye to give you that little spotlight effect. And you can use your fingers as well just to really press and pat on the glitter sparkles. You can see all those colours just work so well together. Next we're going to be using the All About MUA blush palette. The first colour I'm using is that very light soft pink. And I'm using this not just on the cheeks but all over the skin just to give a bit of warmth. As you can see, it's super sheen and it has a little bit of a light glow. It's not too heavy. And the next colour, you'll be surprised to know, is that bright reddy coral colour. And wait till you see it going on, it's actually super soft. Looks great for bridal looks as well, and all these shades work well on all skin tones. If you want a little bit extra pigment, then I would suggest using your fingers or a little sponge to apply these blushers. Okay, so my top tip for any kind of pink eye look is to use a bit of definition in the waterline. This will just make the whites of the eyes appear more white. This one is a navy coloured gel based pencil. It's so easy to use, it glides on. The Ciate London pencils are some of my favourite pencils. I use them all the time for makeup looks. And I'm really blending it into the lash line as well as the waterline. And then I'm just going to get a little small brush and I'm going to buff that out. And as you can see, when Talia opens her eyes, you just get that really bright effect. Okay, and now we're going to apply the mascara. This is one of my favourite mascaras of all time. It's thickening, building, and it gives a really lovely false lash effect to the lashes. But one of my favourite things about it is it's so jet black. Next up from the collection is the Miss Piggy Lip Balm, and this just gives super soft hydration as well as a little touch of colour as well. So if you love your lip balms, you need to try this. And after this, we're going to apply, well, you can't have Miss Piggy without a bright pink lip, so we're going to apply the Miss Piggy Collection Pinky Lipstick, and we're going to pat it onto the lips to give you that lovely bitten effect. Now you all know how much I love my glow. This is my secret weapon. This is the Dewy Stick, and it's in a clear formulation and it looks beautiful, just tapped into the tops of the cheekbones. I also like to use it on the top of the lip and a little bit on the nose as well to give that gorgeous wet look skin, which you know I love. So that is the finished look. I hope you like it. I'm just now going to apply a little set of falsies just to really sort of exaggerate the look, and here you go. And don't forget that amazing Miss Piggy mirror as well. Thank you so much, Ciate London, for asking me to do this tutorial. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing the looks you create too. Bye!